Hello everyone, my name is Gnanaraju. I'm a nutritionist, fitness consultant, wellness coach working for last 18 years. And I'm also a 20K senior executive president member in Herbalife Nutrition working for last 18 years. And I would like to present you one of the wonderful videos on be valuable, bring value to the marketplace and becoming valuable to the marketplace. Through my slides, I want to take you. It takes some 20 minutes time. Please, give some time so that it will be and it will be great help for you to understanding, appreciating this concept. Very good concept. Bring value, be valuable, and becoming valuable to the marketplace. So let me explain about myself. I was a former district visitor, group 1 officer under government of Andhra Pradesh for worked there for 10 years. Then I quit my job, and now I am a certified nutrition fitness consultant, certified sports nutrition consultant, certified exercise science specialist, marathon runner and cyclist, and CPR AD certified Zumba Strong by Zumba instructor. So let me explain you in terms of this concept first, then I'll play some videos for you. Number one, bring value. You don't get paid for the time. Mistakenly, people say I'm paid for so-and-so time. 1 year, this is my income. It's not for the time. Otherwise, they can sitting in the home and you can get that kind of money. Nobody give you that kind of money sitting in the home unless you work hard. So people pay for you for the value you create in the marketplace. So you don't get paid for the time, you get paid for the bringing value to the marketplace. You can earn more money. So products and brochures, can share the story, before you get the skills. Before you get the skills, you can able to share this value, give this value with your story. Like I use this product and then I got this benefit. I became lean and I became slimmer. I lost 20 kilos, I lost 30 kilos. Then share your experience. Immediately that's becoming like a value to the marketplace. People say, is it really? Then let me try. So that is important to the marketplace. So that's what you are bringing value to the marketplace. So I'm not telling you not valuable. You are valuable to your husband, valuable to your wife, valuable to your children, but they don't give you money. People give you money. So you need to be in the marketplace, among the people. So because they have the money in their pocket, they remove and try to give you. So you are paid for bringing value to the marketplace. This is what, remember this point all the time. And the second point, be a valuable person. By bringing more value to the marketplace, you can earn more money. So you can earn multiple times of income by multiplying your value. This is very important. In the same time, point is in the same time. For example, last month you made 10,000. Is it possible to make 20,000 this month? Yes. Is it possible to make 1 lakh this month? Yes. Whereas in the job, it will not happen, because whether you multiply your value or not, but your boss will continue to pay the same salary. Maybe you once in a year some kind of increment or some promotion, but it will not be increasing, multiplying, how much ever you want. Whereas here in Herbalife, here in your business, you can multiply your income how much ever you want, depending on the value you create in the marketplace. Same way with Google. Google creates the value in the marketplace by search engine. Facebook through social contacts, social media channel, Instagram, same thing. You create more value. That's how you become more rich. And the same with the YouTube channels. Many people, they create more value in the marketplace by becoming more value, creating more value in the marketplace. Is it possible to multiply your income 10 times by multiplying your value at the marketplace 10 times in the same time? Of course, that's what Jim Rohn says. For example, in 1 year, can you become president team? Yes, it's possible, very much possible. How? By bringing more value in the marketplace, meaning how much ever volume points are required, how many number of customers required to touch to become president team member. If you can touch that kind of number in 1 year, you can become president team member. So suppose you had only 10 customers last month. What if next month you have 100 customers? Don't you think your income will multiply 10 times? What if next month instead of 100 customers, go for 1,000 customers? Is it possible? Yes. So you don't require time, you require value. How many our numbers of times, if you increase your value in the marketplace, so much of times of your income will grow in the marketplace. This is very crucial, very important to understand. So being valuable in the marketplace by bringing value to the marketplace and becoming valuable person, by increasing your skills, by increasing the number of people you are serving in the marketplace. That's how you bring value, and you also bringing value and being valuable to the marketplace. People give you wealth, so always be around with them. Your major time must be in front of the major people, major work, major customer, major clients. You shouldn't spend your major time in the minor things. Minor things means like in front of TV or movies or popcorn, spending time and vacations and all that. I'm not telling they are not important. They are important, but when you wanted to be like a farmer, farmer duty is what all the time. So long as in the field, he is more valuable. The field will come up. The harvest will come so many times. If he wastes the time and he is all the time in playing cricket and watching cricket, I'm not telling him not to play, but if his major time is in only cricket, okay, he's not giving major time for major thing, not for he's giving major time for minor things. So then you will not become productive. Same way with your business people, same with the Herbalife associates. You need to give major time for major things. Major thing is your targets, how many number of customers you serve, how many number of associates you serve in the marketplace. Then you become wealthy and you can turn around, make a turnaround, big turnaround, and that's how become big checks. Become great at the service of many people. That's how you becoming a valuable person. By becoming more valuable to the marketplace, you can earn more money. For example, I was a government officer. There I was valuable to some people. Like my boss, I'm valuable, not to the people. Whereas here I'm directly talking to many number of people, as many number of people. I wish that's how I'm becoming more prosperous and healthier and wealthier, becoming valuable to the market. I'm going to play a video of Jim Rohn eventually at the end. So let me explain about my story. I was a government officer, group 1 officer. I tried to go up to IAS interview level. I went up to interview level, but I couldn't get into IAS. But now I got into group 1 job. But before that, I worked in LIC for 5 years. I was not paid higher because I'm like a government officer, like employee. So I was not contributing much to the people. So I'm helping my boss, but my boss was getting all the things, all the reputation, all that, but I'm not getting. So assistant IG, I'm helping IG, Inspector General of Operations terms, I am assistant. And from Nasik to Andhra Pradesh government, I used to get, non-judicial, judicial stamp papers with security and all. So now with my subordinate staff, I also worked in the district as a district registrar in regional stamps department. I have my own staff, subordinate staff, and I have government car and all that. But problem is I was paid underpaid. So that's the reason why my wife was looking for extra income of 5,000 rupees per month. And responding to newspaper advertisement, we came to Herbalife meeting. There she was supposed to use the product. So she has any big background of weight loss, attempts. So she was taken to twice obesity clinics also. The shop thought this is a wonderful opportunity where you can eat balanced life and from the home, simple way I can lose weight. So she started using and she can see the difference. So a lot of transformation, 20 years. Here our age was 23 years, here 43 years. And here I was 27, here 47. Now I'm 51 years. This is my team, big team, lead a big team now in all the Telugu states and English states, a lot of states I'm growing. And this is what I do. I teach people how to fish. I don't give fish to eat. If I give fish money, then they eat and again show their hands. So what I'll do, I teach them how to make money. This is very important to understand. People love this. And people, once you love people and give them what they want, they may help them to depend on their own legs, make more money. They'll be more than happy, willing to give their time. So they give a lot of respect, a lot of recognition. Recently, we got this award called Lifetime Achievement Award of 1 million volume points. And we paid 7-digit income. We get 7-digit income every month. Not only every month, but also our annual bonus also in 7 digits. We make a lot of money and we attend a lot of trainings, national level, international trainings, because we also require to grow ourselves. And recently, Cynthia got this award called Woman for Golden Telangana. And you can see from where she came and how she is growing up. She is very inspiring people and touching a lot of people's lives. We now travel together, work from home. And if you're interested, you can, I already explained about our background. And these to reach us, this is Instagram, Facebook, website, and YouTube, and email, and other details. You can call us, you can meet us if you are interested. But before that, what I want to tell you is, I want to play one, important videos of Jim Rohn. So this, in his own mouth, we can have a look. Then I'll conclude that session. So let me share these videos for you.
Let's get started. First note, we get paid for bringing value to the marketplace. Now, we not only need to learn this, we need to teach it to our children. They need to know that right away, here's how economics really works. We get paid for bringing value to the marketplace. Now, it takes time. It takes time to bring value to the marketplace. However, we don't get paid for time. Someone mistakenly says, you know, I'm making $10 for an hour. Not true. If that was true, you could just stay home, right? Have them send you your money. So it's not true. We don't get paid for the time. We get paid for the value that we bring to the marketplace. Now, since that's true, here's one of the key questions of the day. Is it possible to become twice as valuable to the marketplace and make twice as much money in the same time? Answer, of course. Is it possible to become 3 times as valuable to the marketplace and make 3 times as much money in the same time? And the answer is, of course. Is it possible to become 5 times as valuable as you are right now and make 5 times as much money in the marketplace in the same time? Is that possible? Of course. Is it possible to become 10 times as valuable as you are right now to the marketplace and make 10 times as much money in the same time? Is that possible? Of course. That's how all of these incomes started to be generated, some of them starting 13 years ago with Jerry, some 10, 11, 12 years ago, some not that long ago, 4, 5, 6 years ago. People who, number one, understood the marketplace, that there was a need in the marketplace. Herbalife was the best answer to that need. And then they discovered that in order to take advantage of the opportunity, not only did Mark have to go to work on making Herbalife valuable, but these people had to go to work on making themselves valuable to the marketplace to make this kind of money. Now, let's talk about becoming valuable to the marketplace. Here's number one, bring value to the marketplace. Bring value to the marketplace. What's exciting about Herbalife is right away, as soon as you've heard a testimonial or as soon as you've got one, you can bring that testimonial to the marketplace. Long before you have the skills, you can bring the product. You can bring the story. And that's valuable to the marketplace. So right away, you've got something valuable, and you make a telephone call and translate the story to someone else, you have immediately brought value to the marketplace. Now here's number two, be valuable to the marketplace. Make those telephone calls. Put on the button. Hand someone a brochure. Give someone a simple invitation to listen to your story. Be valuable. Number three is becoming valuable to the marketplace. Right away, we can bring value. Right away, we can be valuable by telling our story, handing someone a brochure, giving them an invitation. But here's where the big fortune lies, and that is becoming valuable to the marketplace. As the business grows, you grow. As the opportunity unfolds, you grow. You get stronger, you get better, and you get wiser.
So now we understood the thing, be valuable, bring value to the marketplace, and becoming valuable to the marketplace. So 3 words are very key. And with the same thing, the same time, you don't get paid for the time, you get paid for the value you bring to the marketplace. So that means you can become president team in 1 year or 2 years. If you just understand how to create more customers, this value to the marketplace, more customers and more associates in less time. You don't require 10 years, 20 years to become rich. We can just plan properly. Instead of 5, 6 customers, why not have 500, 600 customers? Instead of 10 associates, why not have 20 associates, 100 associates? In the same time, find ways how to add more value to their lives. So you should be in the marketplace. You understood all this opportunity, how to help them, whatever they need. You have this demand and supply. If you can pass on this value to the marketplace, you are richly paid. But you don't require years to become wealthy. You just require few, planning strategies, how to get so many people at the same time. So that's the important value addition for you. This video will be great help for you. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and like this video and share this video to many people. They'll also get benefited. And if you like this video, please help many people so that they also get benefit out of this. I thank you for and appreciate for your attention. Wish you all the best. God bless you. Thank you so much.